So Arjuna checked into the Welcome Tourist Lodge in Madurai, 15th July. Good. 15th July. The room rent was 900 per day in a single room. She checked out of 17th July in payment respect to the same was received by the lodge via check. At the time of checking on enter the books of account same. The lodge decided to issue her invoice on the same date when the amount gets credited into bank account. The rate of tax of hotel room which is exempt up to 1000 per year. Yeah. And this become chargeable tax on 18 July. Under the GST law determine the time of supply of taxability for service of lodging hands of welcome tourist lodge if the check gets credited in the bank account of welcome tourist lodge in 20 July. So this is the problem, sir. Up to 18 July, there's no service. But I'm getting the payment on 20 July, and the amount is crediting in your bank in 20 July. Whether it is taxable or not, this is the question. It's not taxable. How? So in this given case, the date of receipt of payment is the date of entry of payment in the book of account 17. And the books of account I have the entry 17th I received the payment. And the date of credit of payment is 20 July. But whatever earlier was 17 July. So the date of invoice is 20 July. So I'm giving the invoice in 22 since a lodge decided to issue the invoice on the date of credit of payment in the bank account. Always when they receive the payment, they receive the invoice. But the service has been done. I have received the payment. Since the given case, a change of rate of tax, change in the rate of tax is 18 July. Service has been supplied and payment has been received before the such change in the rate. So service has been supplied and payment has also received. So there is change in rate. What is there? The invoice is issued after the change in rate. So the time of supply of a receipt of payment is 17 July. So I have done it and the receipt is 17 July only. Since the service of lodging up to value of 10,000 is exempted at the time of supply, no GST is payable in the given case. So there is no GST in this given case. Just said na. Because even though the service has been, I have received the payment later, I have completed the service. So you can't impose a tax on me. This is the provision.